Going on, y'all, is every penny counts. I'm going to show you, first of all, I'm going to cash out on this site, but I'm going to show you like what I do to make money on it. The site is called Earnably. The link is in the description. Click the link, sign up, and start making money with it. But I'm going to show you what I do. There's a lot of opportunity to make money on this site. You see here, I'm in the Say So Rewards survey part. And the reason I'm in this part showing you is because there is a lot of surveys on here, y'all. Like, let me scroll down, just show you how many surveys there are. Like, there are so many surveys that you can take, and the good thing about it is they pay disqualification points for doing these surveys. So I think, you'll get like a full point for each one that you don't qualify for, and you see how many there are. Like, I'm scrolling down a little faster now because there's so many of them. And the thing about it, with there being so many of them, even if you don't, qualify for all of them, you're still going to make a good amount of money just off the disqualification points. So just keep that in mind. Like I said, it's the Say So Rewards part of this. On this site, you go to daily surveys right here, and you will see it right there. Also, your surveys, you want to do a good amount of those, because once you, like with your surveys, really with any site, the more of these you do and the more you qualify for, the easier they will become. Because I know some people, they might struggle with it in the beginning, but just stay the course. Keep doing them, and eventually it will get easier to the point where they'll start giving you surveys that are like 5 minutes long, as opposed to the ones that are like 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so just stay the grind. I know it can be tough sometimes, but just keep grinding out, because trust me, it's gonna be worth it. Theorem Reach is another one, because they pay disqualification points, and their surveys are like 10, 15 minutes long, so they're not even that bad. Polefish has a lot of 5-minute surveys, so. But I will tell you, like Polefish, their surveys run out very quickly. So when you see them on here, definitely get to them. All right, so I'm going to go show you off wall, show you some other things you can do on here. Peanut Labs is one of my favorite ones as well. With their surveys, just like Theorem Reach, they take like, 10, 15 minutes. Don't take that long. A lot of them are even shorter than that, just depending on, just the survey. A lot of times they will tell you how long the survey is. So let me just kind of give you an idea of how long it's taking the average person. But if you're fast at answering questions, of course you can get it done faster than that. Also at the top, earn rewards by watching videos with Hideout TV. Earn 0.7 points per 3 ads. So basically, every 3 videos you're going to get 0.7 points. And the thing about it is this runs passively. So what I like to do is have the videos running in the background, and just basically just let it run like all day. Like, even if you leave the house, still have your videos running. That way you're racking up points. And even though it only says 0.7 points for 3 videos, like those videos, they're like 1-2 minutes long. Like I said, you're just letting it run all day, and those points will really rack up in doing that. So don't sleep on the video section. All right. So you see here in my balance, I have 885 points. That's equivalent to $8.85. So I'm going to cash that out. And I'm going to go over here to redeem and show you the different things you can get with your money. You can get PayPal, Amazon, Walmart. They have a lot of different gift cards that you can choose from. Just choose the one that best fits your needs. You know what I'm saying? Just showing you all the things they got here. So they should have something that you want, something that you can use, definitely. Of course, like I always tell you, the most popular ones are PayPal and Amazon. So I'm just show you the PayPal real quick. To get $1, you need 125 points, $2.25, 225. When it gets to $5, it kind of evens out, 500 points. And then when you get to 50, you get more of a discount. All right, so technically I have $8.85, but there's no way to really cash it out unless I do like a $5 cash out, a $2 and a $1 cash out. But for me, I like to kind of leave points in my account sometime. That way I can, build it up fast to the next cash out. So I'm just gonna do $5 PayPal. The auto redeem here, like it says here, there's a 1% fee for auto redeem. Basically, that means as soon as you get 500 points, it'll automatically redeem. But just keep in mind there's a fee for doing that. So I just redeem manually. And with this site, you have all your information already put into the site. So all you gotta do is click redeem now, and you'll see it right there. Congrats, you just redeemed 500 points for $5 PayPal cash. So it already has your email and all this stuff in it. When you sign up for the site, you'll be asked to do all of that. So you don't have to go through every time and put in your PayPal email or Amazon, things like that. So they'll automatically have your email on file. You just click redeem out, and they'll do the rest. All right. So See, now my points have gone down to $3.85. I could cash out another $2 and a $1, but I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Not a big deal to me, but I just want to show you real quick, how easy it is to make money with this site. Just remember, your survey is a really good one. The Say So Awards, I showed you how many surveys they have, so definitely take a look at those. Even if you don't qualify for all those surveys, rack up on those disqualification points, because you can still use those points to cash out, and it racks up very fast. And again, always have your videos running in the background with Hideout TV. That way you're making money while you're taking the surveys. All right, so I highly encourage you guys to sign up for this site. Like I said, the link is in the description. Sign up with it, start making money with it, and always remember, every penny counts.